What makes switching secure SaaS providers so difficult? Imagine trying to change the engine in a moving car without stopping. That's similar to switching secure software as a service providers. It sounds simple but is actually quite complex. When it comes to core business software and integrations, the process involves more than just flipping a switch. Data security and privacy are at the heart of the challenge. First, think about the sensitive data involved. Employee records, payroll details, legal documents. These are all protected by strict encryption and access controls. Moving this data from one provider to another risks exposure or loss if not handled carefully. Even if the new provider claims to follow standards like the General Data Protection Regulation, keeping protections consistent during the switch is tough. Any lapse can lead to data breaches or legal penalties. Next, there are the rules and laws. Legal and human resources software must follow a maze of federal, state, and local privacy laws. When switching providers, you need to ensure the new system meets all these rules. This includes data residency requirements, audit trails, and reporting obligations. If compliance drops during the transition, organizations risk fines or operational issues. Data migration itself is a big hurdle. Moving large amounts of structured data like employee information or unstructured data like legal files involves different formats and schemas. These differences can cause data loss or requiring manual cleanup, which takes time and money. For legal and HR systems, accuracy is everything, so migration delays can be costly. Integrations add another layer of difficulty. Most HR and legal SaaS solutions connect with payroll, benefits, and compliance tools. When switching providers, these connections need to be re-established or redesigned. Compatibility issues can reduce functionality or requiring extra customization, which demands resources and technical know-how. Contracts also play a role. Service-level agreements, liability limits, and data handling clauses can restrict how easily you can switch. Some providers limit data export options or charge fees for early termination. Negotiating these terms can be tricky, especially for smaller organizations. This can make planning a smooth transition more complicated. Customization and user adoption are often overlooked but important. Many SaaS platforms have limited options for tailoring the system. Switching might mean changing business processes or investing in new development. Plus, retraining staff on new workflows can slow down productivity. To navigate these challenges, organizations should review contracts carefully for data portability and termination clauses. Conduct thorough data audits before migration. Confirm that the new provider has strong compliance certifications. Engaging legal counsel can help manage risks and ensure all legal requirements are met. Using automated tools that support compliance updates and real-time alerts can also help maintain adherence during the switch. In the end, switching secure SaaS providers is tough because it involves safeguarding sensitive data, maintaining compliance, managing technical migration, and dealing with contractual limits. For legal and human resources software, these hurdles are even higher because of the sensitive nature of the data and strict legal requirements. Proper planning, legal oversight, and technical expertise are key to making the transition smooth and secure.